Welcome, amazing friends, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to solve this kind of math Olympiad. It shows very easy, so relax, okay? And don't forget to tell us how it helps you in the comment. It helps us to serve you best. Now let's do this together. So we are given this and we are asked to find the value of x. So we just begin with solution, okay? Now what we do, just quickly remember your rule of exponent that says that for every a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, it is a raised to power m plus n, provided the bases are the same and they are multiplying. Just turn it to addition. Did you see? So this is going to guide us in solving. Now to do this, we are going to now have 4 will be raised to the power of x. We are going to, you observe that this is of this type, so we want it to be in this form. So we are going to multiply by 4 raised to the power of 2. So that when you add the powers, it gives you back x plus 2. So you've not changed anything. And this is equal to 45. Okay, so what do we do again? You observe carefully that at this point, these two are multiplying. So to remove this, the opposite is to divide. So we're going to divide by 4 to the power of 2 and divide this by 4 to the power of 2. So this cancels this and you'll be left with 4 to the power of x is equal to 45 divided by 4 to the power of 2, okay? Now what do we do again? Remember, our target is to find x. So we're going to take the logarithm of both sides, and that's going to give us log of 4 to the power of x will give us log of 45 divided by, okay? Now, remember that 4 raised to power 2 is 4 multiplied 2 times to give us 16. So this is what we have. I hope you're with me there. Now, what do you do again? Then remember this rule of your logarithm that says for every log of a to the power of x, it is the same as using the power to multiply to give you x log a. So this is going to guide us to solve. And to do that, we are going to now have, so this x is going to multiply the log to give us x log 4 is equal to log of 45 divided by 16. Now what do you do again? To get x, x is multiplying this, so we're going to divide by log of 4, okay? Then divide this by log of 4. Now this will cancel this and you'll be left with x is equal to log of 45 divided by 16 is divided by log of 4. Now don't be too quick to leave your answer like this, because this is not yet simplified, okay? So to simplify this, what do we do? This is going to give us, just remember that for every log of a over b, it is log of a minus log of b, okay? This is also going to guide us. Now, applying it at the right side, we are going to have x is equal to log of 45, okay? Division will turn to subtraction. Then we have log of 16, then divided by log of 4. Interesting. Now, what do we do again? You observe that this is the denominator of these two numerators. So you can still rewrite this to be x is log of 45 divided by log of 4, okay, minus log of 16 divided by log of 4. Interesting. Now simplify further to now have. Remember that 45 is the same as 45. 3 can go in 45. We have 15. 3 here is 5. 5 is 1. So for 45, 3 is repeated 2 times. Now, simplifying this is going to give us x is equal to log of, this 45 can be written as 3 raised to power of 2, showing this, then multiplied by 5. I hope you are with me. Okay, so we're going to now have this divided by log of, remember that 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2, okay? Then minus log of this 16 is the same as log of 4 to the power of 2. 4 raised to power 2 is 4 multiplied 2 times. I hope you are with me. then divided by log of 4. We are simplifying. Now, what do we do again? Remember that each time you have log of A multiplied by B, it is the same as log of A plus log of B. Multiplication turns to addition. So we're going to have this as, so this is giving us x is equal to log of, remember this is multiplying and these are together, obeying this. So we're going to have log of 3 to the power of 2 plus log of 5, okay? Then minus, now remember that this power, as we said, multiplies the log. So it's going to be 2 log 4. I hope you are seeing how we are simplifying it. Then is divide, this one is divided by log of, so this will be 2 log 2. Did you see that? This is divided by log of 4. Interesting. Now what do we do again? Let's take it to this part to now have x is equal to, so this is, this 2 multiplies the log, so we have 2 log 3 plus log of 5, okay, is divided by 2 log 2, then minus, observe carefully that log 4 is here and log 4 is here, so they can cancel itself, and we are going to be left with 2. Did you see that? So we are going to now have x is equal to, you can still split this denominator for these two numerators, so you are going to have 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 2, okay, then plus log of 5, this one, divided by 2 log 2, then minus 2. Interesting. So this is going to give us x is equal to, now observe that 2 is repeated as coefficient, so cancel it out. So you have log of 3 divided by log of 2, okay, plus 2, sorry, plus we have log of 5 divided by log of 2 minus 2. Now, there is this rule of logarithm that says for every log of A divided by log of B, it is the same as log of A base B. We call it the change of base rule, okay? So let's apply this rule here. To simplify it finally, we are going to have x is equal to, you observe that this is of this form, so we're going to have log of 3 base 2. Now the coefficient of this log 5 is 1, so take note. So for this you are going to have plus half of log of 5, okay, base 2, then we have minus 2. When you look at this carefully, you observe that this is the lowest form of this because your answers are expressed as prime, okay, and this becomes the value of our x. But we're going to check to know if actually when we put this value at the left side of the equation, will it give us 45? Let's do that together to have substituting x into the left side. So we check, this is giving us 4. The whole of this is our x, so we have log of 3 base 2 plus half log 5 base 2 minus 2. This is for your x. Then add 2 to it, okay? Let's check if this will give us 45. It's just very simple. So let's do it together. This gives us 4 is raised to power of log of 3 base 2 plus half of log of 5 base 2. When you add it, it gives you 0, so it's gone off. Now remember that for when you have this, just remember that your a raised to power m plus n is the same as a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Did you see? Now we are going to apply this at this to help us simplify it. So we're going to now have it as 4 raised to power of log of 3 base 2. This addition will turn to multiplication. So we have 4 raised to power of half log of 5 base 2. Now let's simplify again to now have. To simplify this again, just remember this rule that says for every a that is raised to power of log of b base a, the base of the log and the general base are the same, it always results to this b. So this is going to guide us. Okay, now from here, but you observe carefully that this base is 4 and the base of the log is 2, but don't be scared. Let's see what to do to that. So just note that 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2. I hope you have not forgotten. Then we have log of 3 base 2. Did you see that? Then multiplied by, this is for your 4. I hope you are with me. Now multiplied by, for this is the same as 2 to the power of 2, okay, is raised to power of half log 5 base 2. Interesting. Now what do we do? Multiply this power. It's giving us 2. These two will multiply, so we have 2 log 3 base 2, okay, is multiplying. Now for this, when this multiplies, 2 multiplies half is 1. So we are having 2 to the power of log of 5 base 2. Amazing. But still observe that here, the coefficient of the log is 1. But what we have here is 2. Let's remove it. So this is giving us, the coefficient always becomes the power of the number. I hope you have not forgotten. So this is giving us 2 raised to power of log of 3 raised to power 2. Then this base 2 is multiplying 2 raised to power of log of 5 base 2. We have been able to put this in this form where this base and this are the same, and this are the same. So let's gather them. So for this becomes our value, 3 raised to power of 2 is multiplying. For this we have 5. Did you see that? And you know that 3 raised to power 2 is 3 multiplied 2 times to give us 9. And when you multiply 9 by 5, it gives you back 45. And that is what we have at the right side of the equation. So what does it mean? It means that our x being log of 3 base 2 plus half of log of 5 base 2 minus 2 is excellently what? Correct. And I hope you really learned a lot. Don't forget to ask questions. For clarity, I will be there with you in the comments. And if this tutorial helps you, share so that others will learn the skills we displayed. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in our next class, and bye-bye.